part 1 of how to create and edit lessons. Welcome to our 2-part series on lesson creation. In this video, we'll guide you through the Lessons tab in our Learning module. But first, let's clarify what we mean by a lesson at ChildFriendly. Consider a lesson as your step-by-step guide for a specific activity, like a morning circle time or a sensory craft. These plans specify what will be covered and are typically linked directly to your center's curriculum outcomes. Let's look at an example. This activity focuses on Arctic animals, using storytelling, discussion, movement, and art. By clicking into the lesson, you can view all the details, including the title, description, time frame, ideal location, such as outdoors or in a classroom, target number of children, suitable ages, core learning areas like science or motor skills, and the theme or discovery topic. The discovery topics can be customized in your module's Setup tab and often include themes like winter animals or community helpers. Next, we have the learning outcomes, which are the goals the lesson aims to achieve for the children. These outcomes are directly drawn from your center's curriculum, set up by your admin. You can also add a thumbnail image to your lesson and provide a detailed breakdown of the lesson content. In this example, children start with an interactive story and discussion, followed by an engaging sensory play activity. The lesson wraps up with a brief 5-minute circle time discussion. At the bottom, you'll find a list of materials needed for each child to complete the lesson. Now that you understand how child-friendly structures a lesson, let's explore how to use the Lessons tab. At the top, you'll find 3 options: My Lessons, next is Organization Lessons, and then Marketplace Lessons. My Lessons is where all the lessons you've created are stored. Organization Lessons contains lessons created by other educators in your organization that have already been reviewed and approved by administration. This provides a fantastic resource of high-quality activities that your colleagues have successfully implemented in their classrooms. Finally, we have Marketplace Lessons, which is ChildFriendly's global library. It features thousands of early childhood education lessons uploaded by our team, with new additions every day. In the Marketplace Lessons tab, users can search for lessons by clicking the filter icon here. You can enter relevant information to find suitable lessons. For instance, if you teach toddlers, select the toddler age group and a topic such as science. Once you find a lesson you'd like to use, simply click the Copy to My Lessons icon. This will copy the lesson to your personal library under the My Lessons tab, where you can edit it for your own classroom. The Organization Lessons tab operates in much the same way with similar filters. Lessons created by someone in your organization and certified by admin will appear here. Use the same filter icon to refine your search. Again, click Copy to My Lessons to copy the lesson to your My Lessons tab for editing and personal use. This concludes Part 1. Proceed to Part 2 to learn how to create, edit, and submit your lessons for certification.